So over here in my project assets panel, I got my first edit video right here, as you can see. And there are a bunch of video clips on it right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want it to be automatically broken down into subclips. In that case, what you can do is you can right click over here, and then what you can do is you can go around and run the auto analyzer. So once you do that, what happens is that it detects out the different changes in the clips right here, and then it'll create out subclips right here. So there's not much subclips over here. Let me just go around on to list view right here, just like this. And under list view, you can see the subclips. For some reason, this only works in the list view right here. And now out of the same video right here, you can see that there's multiple video clips right here, just like this, that has been exported out just like this. So you can see that this is what you have. So you want to break down scenes of a particular video clip by auto analyzing it, then you can utilize this auto analyzer tool. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.